Okay, welcome back to Morrocco Method, where natural things happen. I'm Anthony Morrocco, founder and creator of Morrocco Method International. So for you men out there to cut our own beard, our own mustache, I did the sideboards in a separate video. And now we're going to do the underneath of the mustache. So these are little tricks. I've been cutting my hair since 1968. So I would cut it in sections, like cut the front, the next day cut the sides, the next day cut the back or the top, the next time cut the extreme back, and then the facial hair, all little by little. So I don't do it all in one day, it's too aggravating. So let's go ahead and do the mustache. So the bottom of the mustache, I comb down, and we really want to wet it. The wetter, the better. Down, down, down. There. And then, now I'm going to just cut like a piece of paper. So just straight across. Just straight across. Snip, snip. Just a little bit. I remember my father I'd have breakfast and I'd look up at my dad and say, "Dad, your mustache is really messed up. What happened?" "Oh, I just cut a little bit too much, Antonio. It's all right, it'll grow out." And one half would be up and the other would be down. So he'd snip like a whole section off. Then he'd have to even it off. Now the mustache was really high. So be patient, take your time, just wet it. And you can always cut it again next week. So you don't have to take a lot off any time at all. Just a little bit to keep it in shape, right? Okay, so now, evening it off, left and right, just a little bit. Then I save all my hair. Then I take it out to the garden and I compost it into my garden. So when the flowers come up, I say, "Wow, look at my hair's produced these beautiful flowers," or plants, or herbs. So compost your hair. It's very, very, very organic and very powerful, actually. 5 types of hair contains 5 different working elements of chi. And that's another video. So how does that look? How does that look, guys? Pretty even, right? Yeah. And you can do a little bit at a time. Then next week, if it feels a little bit off, you can brush it up again. Less is better. Just a little bit, and then if you feel like, oh, I'm going to add, next week I'll just trim it again. So, until next time, we'll continue the haircut video series. Be well, be healthy, be wealthy, be happy. I wish you really good health. Namaskara. Be well.